Could a single conversation between a person and a computer ever feel as natural as chatting with a helpful coworker? Clear two-way dialogue is the lifeblood of any smooth-running organization. Yet scaling thousands of personal exchanges used to feel impossible until conversational AI arrived and rewrote the playbook. Today, that technology sits quietly behind chat windows and smart speakers, turning what once required entire call centers into effortless, always available conversations. I'm Noel with Jotform, and in this video we'll learn exactly what conversational AI is, break down the technology that powers it, walk through real-world examples across a handful of industries, and peek at the trends that will shape the next wave of innovation. In addition, we will show you how Jotform AI Agents can help launch your own digital helper in minutes. Let's jump right in. Let's start at the beginning. What is conversational AI? It's an umbrella term for any artificial intelligence tool built to understand human language, decide what the user really means, and respond in plain, natural words. Under that umbrella, we have machine learning, natural language processing, or NLP, and other sophisticated techniques that work together so people can talk to software just like they talk to one another. The interface might be a tidy chat bubble on a website, a voice prompt in a mobile app, or a smart speaker sitting on a countertop. Wherever the exchange happens, the mission stays the same: create a fluid back and forth that leaves people feeling heard, understood, and satisfied. You may be wondering why that matters so much. When employees no longer spend every afternoon fielding the same simple questions, they gain hours back to do higher value work. Meanwhile, customers get faster answers and walk away happier. That dual benefit is persuading organizations of every size to explore conversational AI for customer support, internal help desks, onboarding, training, and much more. But how does conversational AI actually pull off this seemingly effortless chat? At its core are two key technologies. First is machine learning, a branch of computer science that helps systems recognize patterns. Second is natural language processing, the linguistic toolkit that lets the AI break down sentences, identify intent, and map that intent to a useful response. When voice enters the picture, a third technology joins the dance. Speech recognition converts spoken words into text the computer can interpret before any reply is crafted. Let's zoom in on what happens during a single exchange. Step 1 is input processing. The tool receives a message. For example, "Can I track my package?" typed at 10 p.m. into an online chat box. Step 2 is natural language understanding, or NLU, where the system decides the user wants a shipping update and pulls out any relevant details. Step 3 is dialogue management, the decision point where the AI chooses its next move, perhaps asking for an order number if it's missing. Step 4 is natural language generation, when the tool drafts a courteous reply like, "Sure thing. Could you share your order number so I can look that up?" Finally comes output generation. The message is delivered, either spoken aloud by a synthetic voice or displayed as text. As soon as the user responds, the loop begins again, and with every cycle, the AI learns a bit more, sharpening its accuracy. Now, where do chatbots stand in all this? A rule-based chatbot follows a scripted decision tree, perfect for straightforward, repetitive queries, but easily stumped by anything outside its flowchart. Smarter chatbots layer machine learning on top, enabling rich, multi-turn conversations that feel much more flexible. Still, conversational AI stretches far beyond chat. Voice assistants, like the smart devices many of us keep on a kitchen counter, Listen for spoken commands, perform tasks from playing music to dimming lights, and reply verbally. Copilots integrate directly into business software, helping team members write code, generate analytics, or summarize long documents. Voice recognition systems translate spoken commands into text inputs. Think of the hands-free GPS that lets drivers request directions without lifting a finger. Chatbots are just one member of a growing conversational AI family, so pick the tool that fits your specific use case. Simple FAQs, deep administrative guidance, or hands-free control. Let's discuss a few industries already cashing in on those capabilities, starting with customer service and support. AI chatbots greet site visitors, answer common questions, de escalate frustrations, and, when the issue is beyond their scope, swiftly pass the baton to a human representative. With Jotform's customer service and support AI agents on duty around the clock, businesses keep response times short and satisfaction scores high. Next comes e commerce. Browsers often need fast answers about product sizing, shipping timelines, or return policies before they click buy. Conversational AI covers those inquiries instantly and can even guide shoppers through secure payment forms, smoothing the checkout process. Jotform AI agents slip neatly into that flow, quietly boosting conversion rates while gathering accurate order data. Inside corporate walls, human resources and IT teams feel the benefits too. Employees often look up handbook details or submit routine tech questions that clog traditional ticket queues. Conversational AI absorbs a huge chunk of that traffic by powering virtual help desks and interactive FAQs, freeing specialists to tackle complex issues. Jotform's human resources AI agents and IT and workplace AI agents are designed precisely for these scenarios, keeping staff productive and informed. Healthcare is brimming with repetitive administrative work, from appointment scheduling and payment collection to insurance claims and patient intake forms. Conversational AI agents gladly shoulder these chores, allowing doctors, nurses, and office staff to focus on patient care. Jotform's healthcare and wellness AI agents streamline check ins, handle payments, guide family members through necessary documentation, and reduce administrative headaches for everyone involved. Education is another area that can benefit from AI. Picture a student stuck on a late night homework problem. An AI tutor can provide instant clarification on the material. Administrators benefit too. Virtual assistants route calls to the right departments, arrange appointments, and track frequently asked questions. Jotform's education AI agents sit squarely in both camps, bolstering learning while lightening clerical loads. Looking forward, several trends promise to push conversational AI even further. First up is broader multilingual support with real-time translation, enabling companies to serve global audiences without language barriers. Second is sharper emotional intelligence. While AI won't actually feel emotions, it will get better at detecting when someone is upset or delighted and adjusting its tone accordingly, a game changer in sensitive customer service moments. Third is continuous progress in voice-based systems, leading to clearer recognition even in noisy environments or when a speaker has a strong accent. Collectively, these advancements will make human AI conversations feel even more intuitive, accessible, and rewarding. If that future sounds far off, think again. Jotform AI agents bring it firmly into the present. Picture building a conversational helper without touching a single line of code. Start by building your foundation. Create an agent from scratch. Convert an existing form. Choose a polished template, or even clone yourself by letting the system read your public content. Next, train the agent by feeding it your guidelines, product manuals, or FAQs so it understands your unique processes and can answer in your preferred voice. Finally, tweak and publish with the Agent Builder tool, adding fields to capture customer data or branching logic to handle edge cases. The result is an agent that works exactly the way you need, collecting information, routing queries, and freeing your team to focus on higher level work. Thank you so much for watching today. I'm Noel with Jotform. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit subscribe so you never miss a future video. Until next time, keep those conversations flowing.